Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today I'm going to be reviewing and installing the WeatherTech stone and bug deflector in a dark smoke fitting all 16 and newer Tacomas. This is going to be perfect for the Tacoma owner who's looking to protect their investment with a mod that's not only easy to install but budget friendly as well. Now what this is going to do, and what any stone and bug deflector does, is basically deflect the air up and over the truck, hopefully carrying with it any lighter stuff that would otherwise hit your truck like gravel or bugs. On top of that, this is actually going to take an impact as well, as this area along the front of the hood is usually the first to go when it comes to rock chips. Now what this is going to do, and what any stone and bug deflector does, is basically deflect and reform the air to go over the top of the cab rather than straight into the windshield and hood. Hopefully that air will carry with it some of the lighter stuff like gravel or bugs. This is manufactured out of an aerospace grade acrylic that is virtually indestructible. It's also scratch resistant. If this does end up taking an impact for your truck, it will not shatter or crack. Now WeatherTech is known for their fit and finish, and the bug deflector is no exception. As you can see, it fits the body lines on our Tacoma perfectly. On top of that, it matches the black accents as well, and will look great with some rain guards along the windows. Pricing for this is going to be around the $80 mark, and again, that's a small price to pay. This is a decent product made right here in the USA. You really do get your money's worth. Install is going to be an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches. There's no drilling required. Should only take you about a half an hour to get this on your truck with some basic hand tools. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. The only tool you're going to need for this install is going to be a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, like I said earlier, this bug deflector is going to use all pre-drilled and factory mounting holes. The only problem we run into here is that there's no threaded holes along the leading edge of our hood. Thankfully, WeatherTech includes these little plastic inserts that's going to give us a secure spot to screw our bug deflector into. So all you're going to do is press that insert into that factory mounting location. Now this one will not get used. Other than this one and the same position on the other side, they're all going to get these plastic inserts. And again, we're going to skip this position and go for the outermost. So now we can grab our bug deflector, get it in place and secure it using the included Phillips head screws and plastic flat washers. So with all those screws tightened down, now I'm just going to gently close the hood and make sure everything lines up. So before we wrap up this install, there is one last step. WeatherTech gives you these little adhesive back bumpers to put on the paint just to protect it in case this bug deflector flexes a little bit. It'll hit the bumper before it hits the paint. Now, in my experience, this thing is pretty rigid. Even me pressing on it doesn't really impact the paint. The only spot that I really found would be a good spot to put one of these would be right on the sides here. Is kind of flexible. Same thing goes for the other side. And kind of in line with the hood scoop, this is a long, unsupported piece here. And it is pretty hard to get it to touch the paint even when I'm pushing on it, but if it's gonna flex anywhere, it's gonna be right there. So I'm gonna put 2 right there and right there. And that is going to do it for my review and install of the WeatherTech stone and bug deflector in a dark smoke, fitting all 16 and newer Tacomas. I'm Joe, thank you for watching. For all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.